It says that आपने, i.e. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Mirza says आपने ला नबी आबादी कहकर किसी नए नबी या दोबारा आने वाले नबी का कतअन दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. His Mirza says that when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that there is no prophet after me, he absolutely कतअन दरवाजा, he absolutely closed the door for a new prophet or for a returning prophet. Everyone knows that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is a new prophet. Now, Ruhani Khazain, volume 13, page 217. आपने फरमाया, सॉरी, आपने बार बार फरमा दिया था कि मेरे बाद कोई नबी नहीं आएगा. He said that Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said this repeatedly, that no prophet will come after me. और हदीस ला नबी अबादी ऐसी मशहूर थी कि किसी को उसकी सेहत में कलाम ना था. And the hadith that there is no prophet after me, Mirza says this hadith was so much circulated that no one denied the authenticity of this hadith. Now, Ruhani Khazain, volume number 7, page 200. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani says that Khatamul Anbiya, what is the interpretation of Khatamul Anbiya given by Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? I want people to pay attention. Mirza says that what is the tafsir, what is the interpretation of Khatamul Anbiya or Khatamul Nabiyyin given by Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? He says that Khatamul Anbiya बगैर किसी इस्तिस्ना के, that Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the Khatamul Anbiya without any exception. Now, Mirza Ali was trying to create exception, but Mirza says तालिबीन हक के लिए हमारे नबी ने वाज़े अल्फाज में इसकी तफसीर, किसकी तफसीर? खातमुल अंबिया. Mirza says that the tafsir of Khatamun Nabiyyin or Khatamul Anbiya, Mirza says that the tafsir of this Khatamun Nabiyyin, which is done by Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is that tafsir? La Nabi Abadi. There is no prophet after me. Last reference, and I want people to please note down this reference. Volume 14, page 393. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani says, Hadith La Nabi Abadi mein nafi aam hai. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani says that the hadith, no prophet after me, it has the generic negation, i.e., it is not just negating any particular form of prophethood. No, ye nafi aam hai. It is the generic negation which includes everyone. Now, why I quoted all of these things? For one reason. What was that reason? In the second proposal, Ali Mirza was trying to create a room. I am telling him that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani says that La Nabi Abadi does not leave any room. Number one. Number two, somebody has taught Ali Mirza, like they deceive all the cult members, that, itaat se Nabi banega. In his own statement, Ali Mirza, help your own self. In your own statement, you have just mentioned a few minutes ago that Surah Nisa is telling us only for one prophet to come. And you and Jamaat is telling people, if you do the following of Rasulullah, you will become prophet or shaheed or this and that. And you yourself, it means that you deep in your heart, deep in your heart, that this ayah has nothing to do with the principle, that if you do the obedience, you'll become a prophet. Why? Because you yourself have said that this Surah Nisa ayah, and when you go home, you can check yourself. Okay, I noted that. You said that this ayah of Surah Nisa is regarding one prophet. Now, last point. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani has finished this argument by himself. If you need reference, ask me now. I have ready. Number one, he said that this ayah, as you said already, this ayah is not that if you do the following, you'll become a prophet. No, he said this is about me. This is about me. And then he said something very interesting. He said that I was given this gift of prophethood in my mother's stomach, in the womb, Shikme mother. Ali Mirza, somebody becoming or getting the gift of prophethood in the mother's womb. is absolutely denial that I got prophethood by following. Why I mentioned that? To address everything you said.